Hey, it's Caitlin and I'm at Disney's All-Star Music Resort. No Corey, my husband Corey is not with me. It's just me for this little staycation. I'm at the All-Star Movies Resort. So I am gonna do a room tour. It's not gonna be like our normal room tours where Corey helps me, but I'm gonna do my best. I definitely wanna show this value resort. I figured I'd start outside. I am in the Love Bug area, building 7. I am in a standard room. So this is 3rd floor, a little bit of a hike up here. I'm not in the preferred sections. So I'm not in one of the buildings close to like the main lobby area. Okay, sorry guys, one person here. Okay, so right when you walk in, we have a renovated room. So you do have a little area over here for kind of snacks, ice, food, shelves, and mini fridge. And then you do have the recycling. You could probably move that out of the way and put like a suitcase or something there if you need. I will pull this down eventually, but this is a table Murphy bed. So this pulls into a second queen bed. So over here you even have the side tables with the plugs and USBs. But it's nice because, you know, it's a functional room. You can do a table or you can pull that down and have a bed. Queen bed here on this side. Cute little art there with Mickey, Minnie, and Donald. Okay, so this is like the dresser area where your safe is and some shelves. You got your Holy Bible. Drawers. Pretty big drawers actually, 3. And then you have plugs and USBs up here. I've got WDW Today on. All right, we've got some hooks over here so you can hang backpacks, you can hang hats, anything there. Ponchos can dry if you need. And then this is the bathroom. Yes, it's small, that's kind of how the value resorts are, but I do think that they work with the space well. This is one of my favorite things, the lock-off doors, because it just creates so much privacy if kids or family members are still sleeping and somebody wants to get ready in the bathroom or turn the lights on or anything. So one sink in here, some counter space and shelving, but then they also have some shelves over here, pretty deep shelves too. So if you needed to put anything, iron, blow dryer, mirror, makeup mirror, closet space. And you do have the ironing board as well. And then you have another lock off, there we go, for the shower room, which I like. And then got your toilet and then your shower. So it's not the double shower heads, but one nice big one. You can do a bath or a shower. I know with young kiddos, people like to do baths. And then you've got your H2O pumps there. And then hold momentarily while I pull down the bed. It is down. I just moved the trash can and put one of the chairs there. And then I put one of the chairs over here too. But yeah, so you do need to obviously find a place to put the chairs, but you can put suitcases or bags on the chairs. And here's the bed. So cute. We've got Huey, Dewey, and Louie up there. dreaming about soccer, theater, and drumming. Oh, All-Star Sports, All-Star Movies, All-Star Music. So they're dreaming about the Disney All-Star Resorts. Okay, so this is a comfortable bed. I have slept on these Murphy beds. Just something to point out. It comes out farther than this bed. So when you're walking by, don't accidentally hit your leg or your knee or whatever. It just comes out more. So, you know, it hurts when you trip on those. So just be careful of that. But yeah, other than that, and then you do have space under this bed for storage. And this is very easy to pull down. Obviously, you don't want your kids to like get smashed or anything, but watch how easy it is for me to put it back up. I did that one-handed with the camera. So it's very easy to pull down and up, but the table like collapses. So you just don't want, you know, anyone's fingers or toes to get caught. So this is a value resort. Disney has deluxe, moderate, and value resorts based on amenities offered and based on price point. So obviously every resort is still gonna be up to Disney standards. The theming here is really cute. There is like a Toy Story section. I'll try to show a little bit more of the grounds in the area. Multiple pools here. It is, you know, very kid friendly, very budget friendly. Downside is the transportation is just gonna be bus only. So, you know, when you stay here, it's a good value for your wallet and your budget. To be on Disney property in general, you're still gonna get the perks of staying at a Disney resort, but it's just not gonna be as close in proximity as some of the even other value resorts, moderate or especially deluxe. So as long as you know that and you have those expectations, you're gonna love it here. Kids love it here. You just want, you know, pack your patience for those buses and even the food court. There's no like sit down table service restaurants at value resorts, and there's also no hot tubs or slides. But that's just a couple things to note about the different tiers of resorts. You can ask me. I am a travel planner, Pixie Vacations by Tiffany and Caitlin. If you follow me on Instagram or you are subscribed to this channel, then you've heard me talk about that before. So reach out if you have questions. But I will show more of the resort, but that's the room. Stay tuned. Good morning. It is the next day. So I stayed at All-Star Movies last night, and I'm gonna continue showing a little bit more of the resort. I'm gonna walk to the lobby area and get a coffee and get some breakfast and show a little bit of the pool and the grounds. Okay, so like I said, I was in the Herbie the Love Bug section. This is not one of the preferred sections, but it's cute. If any of the kiddos know who Herbie the Love Bug is. I don't even know if I've really seen that movie. Okay, they do have laundry on site, multiple pools. We are now walking into the Fantasia section. Really cool. I love these. The big brooms with the water buckets. And then just past the Fantasia section is the main pool. It's not open just yet. Believe it or not, this All-Star Movies is actually a bit smaller than Music, All-Star Music Resort. So it's not as far as a walk to the lobby. Over here we've got the Dalmatian section. I'm not going to be walking totally over there, but it is so cute. And if you keep going past Dalmatians, it's the Mighty Ducks area, and the Mighty Ducks area has its own pool over there. Okay, pool is closed, so I can't get in there to show it more, but lots of seating. Big pool. Like I mentioned earlier, no hot tub or slide, but this is going to be the main pool here. Of course, they have a pool bar here as well. They've got silver screen spirits right next to the world premiere food court and lobby. Okay, this is one of my favorite parts, the recreation and activities. Oh, these are the movies that they are playing this week. Those are really good movies. That's a good lineup. They have the campfire from 7 to 8. And then tons of activities. You could do tie-dye, that's extra amount of money. Obviously the movie Under the Stars, poolside activities that the recreation team will do with the kids. Here's a map. So I want to show this a little bit. Okay, so it says you are here. So we're right by the lobby. We're about to go in there. Here's the Love Bug where I'm staying, building 7. And then we walked through Fantasia area to get up here. So like I pointed out, this way you'll go into Dalmatians and then into Mighty Ducks, and that's where they have another pool. And then if you go this way, you'll go into the Toy Story area. And that is a really popular area because obviously kids love Toy Story. There is a running trail here, so that's kind of cool. There's the real spot. I believe that's where they show the movies. When I've stayed here in the past, that's where they showed the movie, and then I think during the day, oh, private event. I think during the day they put tables and chairs in there for people to sit and eat, but we've got ping pong tables over here, little chess, but here's the Toy Story area, so it's so cute. There's RC. So that's a cute little picture spot, or even for your kids to just like, I mean, if they're not already tired enough from Disney, they can come over and just like play around. Kind of just let out energy or have fun. I keep talking a lot about kids because this is really, oh sorry, this is cool. Andy's room, keep out. But anyways, this is really a kid-focused resort. So that's why I keep talking about kids. We've got big ol' Woody and big ol' Buzz, Bo Peep, Rex. Oh, and the green army men up there. It's just really cute. Oh, and Mickey. Back over here, going to head into the cinema hall, the lobby. We've got the Real Fun Arcade. It's actually a big arcade, and man, it's kind of bumping at 9 in the morning, 8:30 actually. So everything is, you know, Hollywood, movies, that kind of a theme. Here's the check-in area. They do have like a little section over here for kids to sit and watch cartoons while their parents check in. And then we've got the double feature store over here. So this is just, you know, where you can get all of your merch, goodies, and then of course they do have like some food or medicine or random things, if toiletries if you forgot it. So this is kind of where they have all of that. The box office. There's strollers even if you forget that. Probably be expensive if you don't want to rent at the park. But they've got all kinds of diapers and random things if people forget or need something. here in the double feature. Okay, heading into the food court. This is usually a busy, happening place, but this is the only like food option here. And I'm gonna pick up my mobile order right now. Okay, so I just picked up my mobile order. But anyways, over there, you can stand in line and they obviously will have like breakfast, lunch, and dinner options under the like marquee lights over there. And then this is where you have your fill station with like pop, coffee, water, all of that. Quick breakfast, coffee, Mickey waffles. I actually ordered a kid's meal. Comes with apple slices too. And I'm sitting outside. As you might have heard, probably it picked up on the audio, it's very loud in there, very busy, especially right now when everyone's like eating before they go to the park, because it's like first thing in the morning. They're all fueling up before their park days. So me, I'm by myself, I don't have any kids, so I'm like, I'm gonna come outside and eat in the peace and quiet. And I'm so glad I did. It's way less people-y, it's nice, and I'm just gonna eat my Mickey waffles. But that's the All-Star Movies. Let me know if you have any questions. Please reach out, and thank you for watching. Bye.